Today is my 20 euro day on the Camino de Santiago. So I have only 20 euro to spend in one day. And well, let's see how far I can get with the money. Let's start with breakfast. Café con leche, fresh orange juice, and toast with butter and jam. €3.50. I'm in a municipal albergue for €5. Let's see. I'm the first to come, so I can really choose any bed and any dormitory I like. Well, yeah, this one's a little bit bigger. Well, maybe this one. That looks fine. Well, you can see this is like a typical albergue, municipal albergue. That you get on the Camino Frances. So I don't know. I actually like top beds, so I think I will take this one. And well, there is a patio. There's a small yard outside, and I think the toilets and showers somewhere on the maybe on the first floor. Well, this is a toilet. And this is a shower. Luckily there is a chair at least, because sometimes there is nothing to put your stuff on. Okay, so I'm gonna shower and then just continue showing you around. This is the kitchen. Most municipal albergues, they have a kitchen. It's like a dining table, there's a fridge, a microwave, there's an electric stove, like pans, pots, well, some spices, plates, basin for washing. Well, actually pretty much everything you need for cooking. Well, you can see €11.50 left from €20, and I've already had breakfast and paid accommodation. Well, since my accommodation today is €2 cheaper than I expected, I decided to spend that money on wine. Cheers. €1 for a glass of white wine. Oh, I still have €10 and I have to get something for lunch and dinner. And luckily there is a supermarket here, so now I'm just gonna go and do some shopping. So I think for lunch I'm gonna make pasta with tuna and tomato sauce, and for dinner maybe salad with cheese. And maybe 2 tomatoes. That looks fine. So my basket is getting fuller, and I really hope I'll make it for €10. Well, I think I always buy this one. Goat cheese and well, maybe just take a goat cheese or this cheese for €1. That looks fine. I'm quite satisfied because my shopping was €8. I think it's €8 and well, yeah, €8.24. Well, which is cool. I still have like €2 to spend, maybe to buy another cup of coffee or yeah, just another glass of wine. Well, I thought it would be more difficult to walk the Camino on €20 a day, but well, let's see. I had a nice breakfast with coffee and orange juice, and then I paid accommodation, which was really cheap today. It was €5 only. Then I had a glass of wine in the restaurant, and well, I bought enough stuff for dinner and lunch. And I even still have €2 left for coffee or another glass of wine. Well, today is my €30 day on the Camino de Santiago.
¿Qué tiene? Tiene esta paleta. Ay, perdón. ¿Quién?
Finally, I can have some breakfast. It looks actually quite good. I got fresh squeezed orange juice and café con leche, sandwich with chorizo for $3.50 only. Pues que son €10, ¿sí? ¿Qué tiene? This is a typical dormitory room in a private albergue. You can say it's not as many beds as a municipal albergue. Well, it's a bit more spacious and more comfortable, I would say. There are lockers, and the location is quite good. This one is just right next to the cathedral in Logroño. Well, you see, it's there's a street here, many restaurants. Well, for private albergue, you pay usually between 10 and 12, so sometimes €14 per person. So you can see the private albergues, they're a bit fancier. So everything is a little bit neater and there are less beds, less people here. So I'll show you, this is the shower. And now this is a toilet. Looks like I found the place where I can have menu del dia for €10. There's the menu. So you get entree and then the main. There's wine coming. So then dessert, bread, and I have a choice of wine and water. And let's see what exactly you can get. So this is all choices of the starters. So you can get a mixed salad and asparagus with salad, spaghetti with cheese and tomato, lentil soup, and sopa castellana. Actually, that's what I'm gonna have. That's the soup. And the mains are, steak with French fries, pork with French fries, or fish and chips. Oh, I think it's fish. Actually, it's cod. So I think I'm gonna go with fish. And then for dessert, you can choose yogurt, ice cream, or fruit. And then you get bread, and then it includes wine or water. It looks like I got the whole bottle of wine with my menu del dia. Well, it's not a really big bottle, but yeah, it's quite a lot. I don't think I'm gonna drink that all. Maybe just one glass. Cheers. Oh, here is my soup. Not sure, it's like a bread and some chorizo and I guess some tomatoes in there. Fish and chips. I think fish is cod. Well, we'll see. It's quite a lot actually. Well, after paying accommodation and breakfast and menu del dia, I still have €6.50 left from my €30, and now I'm just gonna buy something for dinner. So, menu del dia was quite big. I'm not really hungry. I think I'm just gonna buy maybe like salad or something and some cheese and bread. We'll see now. Well, these salads we buy really a lot. They're all usually different mixes. This one is pasta and rucola with a little bit of chicken and cheese. So I think I'm gonna take this for dinner, and it cost €2.50, and maybe some extra tomatoes and some cheese. Tomatoes, 140. Oh, this one is a good one. It's like sliced cheese for 82 cents. Hey. Saw some plums and maybe like a peach or something else. Let's see, they have. Vale. Yeah, I made it. So my shopping was just under €6. So like 5.88. Yeah, I bought that salad with pasta and rucola, cherry tomatoes, extra cheese, and well, 2 peaches and what, 5 plums. Well, it's quite a nice dinner because I had a big lunch, big menu del dia, and I'm really hungry. So I think that will be fine for me. So I must say, for day on the Camino on €30 is pretty doable. Yeah. Today is my €40 plus day on the Camino de Santiago. Well, I'm not sure if €40 will be enough, or maybe I will end up spending €50. So my plan is first stop somewhere for breakfast, then stay in a private room, eat menu del dia for lunch, and maybe a sandwich and a glass of wine for dinner. Well, let's see how much I will end up spending today. Oh, this is my favorite breakfast, again $3.50. Fresh squeezed oranges, kind of cappuccino, café con leche, and croissant. Well, so finally, well, I have a private room today. It's €28 for a single room, and well, this is a big bed, and I even got towels, and I have a private bathroom. Well, today I'm gonna take a nice long shower. So €28, and then I spent already €3.50 for breakfast. So well, I spent already €31.50, and I haven't had lunch yet, and dinner. We'll see how much I'm gonna end up spending today. But for now, I'm really happy to have a private room. Lunchtime, and I'm gonna take menu del dia. Today it's not €10, it is €11, and here is the menu. So it's quite a typical menu. You have a choice of first course, main course, dessert or coffee, and it comes with bread, and then you can choose wine, water or beer. You see there are quite a lot of options. So I took pasta salad with bacon, and the second is turkey drumstick stewed with beer, then drink, and then I think I'm gonna take maybe the ice cream cake. Well, that's my main dish. It's actually, I think it's a huge turkey drumstick and a lot of French fries. So I think maybe I'm not gonna eat dinner tonight because it's really a lot of food. after the gigantic lunch that I had today. Well, I'm not really hungry, but well, I was recommended a nice tapas bar, which is just around the corner from my place. Well, yes, and I think I'm just gonna go and maybe drink a glass of wine and eat a couple of tapas. You can see there's quite a variety of different tapas. Well, there are really many different tapas. So, well, I think I will take something seafoody, kind of fishy, because I'm really a big fan of seafood, and maybe a glass of white wine. Oh, and by the way, have you noticed that I bought a new T-shirt? So the laundry on the Camino, most people they do hand washing, but well, if you want, you can do machine washing. Well, in this place it costs €3 for washing and €3 for drying, but this washing machine and dryers, they're quite big. I think you can fit like a stuff from 3 or 4 people, so you can share. It will be less expensive and less waste of resources. Here you can see pretty much the same backpacks. People already left this place, and then they just left their backpacks for the delivery service. So with envelopes, and I guess you usually put money in the envelopes so that they can charge you for the delivery. And then they come in the morning, they take your backpacks, and they put them in the car, and they drive them to the next place where you're gonna stay. So you can see right down the name here, and from where they pick it up, where they drop it off, and well, that and your phone number. That's pretty much it. Works really easy, and well, from what I've seen,